Hello everyone, welcome back to Software Testing with Jamil. Today's topic is a quick one on how to install latest JDK version. So what you need to do, first of all, if you go to one of the search engines and type in JDK, that should bring up the actual Oracle website to download the JDK. So once you've done that, click on the first Oracle link to download. The latest version is 14 here. So just before we download, you need to check your system properties to what Windows you've got installed. Personally, you can go check that by typing in my computer. That should bring up that, and if you right and click that and on this PC and then click on properties, and that should bring up your system properties, and you could see I've got the version 64, Windows 64-bit, and that's your prerequisite before you start installing this. Yes, if you open a command prompt and then type in Java minus version. Yeah, so I have a version 11 installed, which you could see here. If you go to my computer, C drive, and then go to program files, and then Java, and you could see what downloaded. So I have a version 10 and 11. 11 was installed in 2018. So what I'm going to do now is install the latest version, and which is the version 14 here. So click on JDK download. So once you're on the download page, if you go down to Windows x64 installer, and you're going to install the executable. If you click on the executable, that should bring up the agreements, or read the license agreement before accepting them. Then click on download, and that. Yes, so once it's downloaded, click on that. Yeah, so that should bring up the installer, and if you click on next, that gives you the path where it should be installed. Our program file Java, the standard way you install it. I already have version 10.11 installed there as well. You can change it, but generally it's under program files the way you install under Java. So click on next. That should start up. So here we go, it's updating the component registration, copying new files, registering product. So it's extracting the installer now. And that is that, it's installed that. So that is installed now. So if we go back to our program file Java, that's been installed in there. So there we go. So yes, now we could go back to our command and check the version again, see what it displays. So still displaying the Java version, JDK version 11.0.1. So what we need to do is add this new latest version to system property. So we go to the, if you go to the file explorer, try going to program files Java. If you're already not there, then the JDK 14, then go to bin and then copy. Once you copy that, if you go to start menu and type variable, that should bring up the, so that should open up system properties. And then in the system properties, if you click on environment variable, then if you go to path, and edit path. So we already have a path there for JDK 11, so instead of adding a new one, we will edit that. So if you double click or click edit on that and paste the new one in, click off it, okay. Yeah, so what I would do is also set my Java home to the latest version. Currently I have it as a JDK 11.0.1. I mean, you can't add a new one by just clicking on new, or I'll show you how it's there's no difference when you're trying to change, I mean, in terms of how it displays. So when you're trying to add a new, you'll get same field, so just type in Java underscore home and then the actual where it is, so program file Java and what it is. So in this case it'll just be Java JDK 14. Okay that, okay to environment variables, okay to system properties, and now if you type in the same version again, yes, if you open up command line again and type in Java minus version, now that should show us our latest version, which is the Java version 14. I mean, earlier we had the version 11.0.1, but if you didn't have anything installed already, it will come back with not recognized. So that is now installed for us to use. If you type in Java this should give you now all the options, commands on there. There's a lot more on here than previously, and a lot more to use. So thank you for joining me today on the quick tutorial on how to download the latest Java JDK version 14 on the Windows 64-bit. If you have any queries, any questions, just drop me in the comments. And if you like this video, just hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get the latest videos, updates whenever I post them. Once again, thank you for joining.